So from here, it's very simple. You just slide it in, but before you do, I'm just going to give it a slight coat of transmission fluid. And now, don't forget don't forget spring. Right. I should just go taking the bolt out the end. That's it. Now, the reassemble. First the spring, or the little washer, which I'll give a bit of a wipe. And the washer. See if I can give this a bit of a tap down. It's not going down far enough. Push the seal down. Now, is that enough? I think that's just about it. Just making sure I can see the locator. Now, that's the spring clip. Alright. Using one of these to locate it, to get it in there. Squeeze it in. Now, let's see. That's it. That's in. Now the boot. Again, just a little bit of transmission fluid on the inside. Give it a clean wipe in the transmission fluid. And then, grab this. And that is it. 2 fork tubes done. On a Saturday morning when I got out of bed and then get changed and finish the other one. So it can be done. You can work out what needs to be done. Just got to give it a go. And that's it. I'm very pleased with that. There we go. Nicely semi-polished. New fork tube, ready to be put on the bike. Well, I'll show you the bike. Show you the bike, if you can call it a bike. There it is. There, that's the frame.